How to log in into SBI Credit Card account online. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to get logged into SBI account's credit card online, you can use its official website. In order to do so, first of all, start any of your preferred browser and search SBI Credit Card login. Tap on the first link, which is by www.sbicard.com. Tapping on it should take you to another page. There are three ways by which you can log in. The very first one is via your registered mobile number, in which you have to provide registered mobile number and then the verification code and solve the CAPTCHA to proceed and sign in. Likewise, the next option is by using the user ID. Just provide your user ID, tap on proceed, provide your card details and proceed. These are some of the ways by which you can give in your credentials to get logged into SBI credit card account. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.